After a cold event, especially freezing temperatures, it's very important not to rush in and start pruning. Even though plants may look burned and brown, the damaged tissue is often protecting living tissue underneath. Right now, your best move is to wait until new growth begins before pruning, let you clearly see what's alive and what's not, as premature pruning can make cold injury even worse. Also, avoid pushing plants with fertilizer just yet. Focus instead on proper irrigation, good drainage, and reducing additional stress. With a little patience, many plants should recover just fine.